everyone, worthy principal, respected teachers and my fellow mates. Today we are here to present an exciting activity on the stage with the help of a live experiment. It's regarding force and pressure. To understand this, you will first have to understand what is force and what is pressure. In the language of science, force is known as to pull or push something, and pressure is the force acting per unit area. There is a special law regarding to pressure upon which our today's activity will be based. That is that pressure is inversely proportional to the area of the substance. It means that if the area will increase, the pressure will decrease, and if the area will decrease, the pressure will increase.
In order to prove this principle, we will use some cups and one volunteer foot in order to prove this principle.
What do you think? Will we be able to hold his weight or not?
Let's see what happens when we will stand on two cups.
It was obvious because the force was too much against the area of the cups.
Now we will increase the cups and increase the area of the cups to 5. Will this be enough to bear the weight of this boy? What do you think, Aryan?
We have almost doubled the cups. I don't know whether they will be able to hold his weight or not. What do you think?
It was still too much to bear the weight of this boy. Now we will almost double the cups to 10. What do you think? It will bear the weight of this boy?
I think 10 cups are so much. It should bear the weight of the boy.
It helps for a second, but it's still too much to bear the weight of this boy.
10 cups are also not enough. Let's maximize these cups to 15 cups, and I am sure that 15 cups must hold the weight of this boy. Because in this case, the area of the cups is maximum, so force should be minimum.
Of course, the 15 cups will be enough to bear the weight of this boy. Can you see that? Total stability. The physics is in action.
Now the area is maximum, so force is minimum. So he can easily stand on the paper cups. This proves that if you want to sit on a single nail, you can't. But if you want to sit on a bed of nails, you can easily. So you can notice that we have not changed the weight of the boy. We have only increased the area of the cups. This truly proves the experiment.